Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's super relevant for 2025. How to transfer money from PayPal to your bank without any fees. Whether you're a freelancer getting paid or just managing your finances, avoiding those pesky transaction fees can save you a bundle. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step guide to make transfers smoothly and for free. Let's jump right in. First off, PayPal has been evolving, and in 2025, we expect even more user-friendly options to minimize costs. The key is to use the standard transfer method instead of instant ones, which often come with fees. Start by logging into your PayPal account on your desktop or mobile app. Make sure your bank account is already linked. If it's not, go to Wallet or Settings and add your bank details. This step is crucial because unlinked accounts might trigger fees or delays. Once you're set, navigate to your PayPal balance. Select the amount you want to transfer and choose the Transfer to Bank option. Here's the pro tip. Opt for the standard transfer, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days but is fee-free in most cases. In 2025, PayPal might have new promotions or partnerships that waive fees entirely, so keep an eye out for any banners or notifications in the app. Now, a quick heads up. Fees can vary based on your location, account type, or if you're transferring large amounts, so always double-check the details before confirming. If you're in the US or EU, regulations might make fee-free transfers more common. To ensure everything goes smoothly, verify your bank information and consider using PayPal's balance transfer tools. Wrapping this up, following these steps can help you save money and manage your funds efficiently. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit that notification bell. What's your go-to money transfer hack? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.